Entitlement mentality is the belief that you deserve special treatment or recognition without earning it. It is the attitude of "you owe me" or "I deserve more." It is a silent thief that steals joy and contentment from unsuspecting hearts. How is entitlement mentality a recipe for unhappiness? 1. You become constantly frustrated and cheated by life. You blame others for your problem. 2. It causes conflict in relationship because you demand more than what others can give, or you resent others for not meeting your needs. 3. Disappointment, expectation postponed makes the heart sick. You are bound to face rejection from others. 4. Depression. You feel helpless, hopeless, and worthless when you cannot get what you want. 4. You nag and complain and look down on what people are doing for you because you are expecting more from them. Most people with entitlement mentality often have unrealistic expectations. They build their hopes and goals around what they are expecting from others. People with entitlement mentality revolves around a cycle that makes them more unhappy. First, they are mentally lazy. They often look for an excuse to why they should be treated specially. They use emotional blackmail to get your pity. Examples like, "I am a single mom or dad. I am a widow with 3 children. I am a nursing mother." They believe the world owes them. They want others to see why they should be given special treatment. Second, they have high expectations. Their expectations does not align with their realities. All they want to achieve is enclosed in their mind. Finally, they suffer emotional distress. When their expectations are not met, they become resentful, bitter, frustrated, and disappointed. They talk negatively about others, spread rumors. They hate on people that they were expecting things from. If you are suffering from entitlement mentality, how can you overcome this negative habit? 1. Be responsible. Most entitled people are lazy. They avoid working and getting a pay because they feel someone somewhere could help them. When you work yourself out before being paid, you'd realize how difficult it is to work for money, and you'd be grateful to those that are able to spare some amount for you. 2. Adjust your expectations. You can't build a mansion on sand. Your building would collapse, leaving you shattered. Do not expect anything from anyone, as no one owes you a thing. If you are fortunate to get support from people, count it as favor and not your right. 3. Heartfelt appreciation. Always appreciate what you are given, both big and small. Consider it a privilege for you to be in someone's thought, and they reach out to you. Different faces with different problems. Every human on earth is going through one tough time or the other. 4. Be contented. Be grateful for what you have and not envy others. The fact that a close friend or relative earns more than you or have more properties or accessories than you does not mean they should give you. If you need something, ask politely or save up and buy. 5. Give others. There is more happiness in giving than in receiving. Give to others without expecting anything in return. This would help you see that life is beyond always collecting from others. You should not always be the needy. Help those in need. 6. Develop empathy. Empathy would help you understand what others are going through. This would reduce being too self-centered. Life doesn't revolve around you and your needs. Other people have needs also. Did you know? When you don't get rid of entitlement mentality, you become depressed. Depression left untreated leads to other health issues like lack of appetite, neglecting your health, weak immune system, suicidal thoughts, and taking substances for temporary relief. If care is not taken, it could lead to the person's death. You deserve to be happy, but not at the expense of others. Entitlement mentality is a destructive habit that saps you of your joy. It affects your relationship and your happiness. It is a virus that can spread to your whole body and shut down your system. Break free from it today and live a happier and healthier life.